from the IT department. Welcome to the very first video in our Koha series. This series of videos is intended to assist staff members in being able to use Koha more efficiently and effectively. We're going to explain what Koha is and how you can access Koha. All the videos in the series will include information specific to each module of Koha. So this is a good place to start, especially if you're new to Koha. To access Koha, the first thing you need to do is open a new browser window or a new tab. In your address bar, type staff.jls.gov.jm. Once the Koha login page is up, you can type in your username and your password to log in. But let's pause here for a second while we explain what Koha is. Koha is an integrated library management system. It's used in many libraries throughout the world. Many of these libraries use Koha as the main source of their activities, especially when it comes to circulation and cataloging. Koha also has a very powerful patron management module that many of you will be using. We'll explore these modules in detail in other videos in this series. Here at the Koha login screen, once you've typed in your username and your password, it's essential that you ensure that you're logging into the correct library. Each member of staff is assigned to a particular library. Generally speaking, the library that you're assigned to in Koha will be the library that you're permanently assigned to work. For example, if I were to log in, I'd log in directly to JLS HQ. But let's say you're working at a branch, but you're assigned to a parish library. This is where you can change the library that you're operating from. So right now, I don't want to log into headquarters, so I'll change from my library to the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Library. Once I log in, you'll notice here that it shows that I'm logged in to the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Library. If I made a mistake, I can click on this link, select Set Library from the drop-down menu, and from this page, I can choose the correct location to log into. So let's say I really wanted to log into HQ. Go ahead and do that. This is important because it affects the way items are circulated. So please ensure that you can log in to the correct library. You'll notice on the Koha main page that there's a search bar and there's a list of modules. Don't be alarmed if you don't see all of these modules when you log in. Not everyone is going to be able to see every module. Modules are assigned by permission based on your job function. Most of us will see circulation, patron, advanced search. There's also lists, cataloging, authorities, serials, acquisitions, reports. Koha has a number of tools that can help us to do our jobs better. Many of us may end up using some of these tools. Administration sets parameters for Koha. Most persons won't be able to see this, but at least you get a peek behind the scenes. In the search bar, you can select various options for searching. For example, the checkout box will be used in the circulation process. So is the check-in box. Search patrons you can use to search for individuals or members by name or by card number. Searching the catalog is also a really good option when we want to search for material that we have available. It's important to take note of which search item is selected before you perform a search. For example, if I wanted to search For myself, I would select Search Patrons and type in my name. If I were to do that using the Search Catalog tab, there aren't any books about me, so I wouldn't get any results. Returning to the main page after selecting any of the modules is really easy. All you have to do is click on the large Koha logo, and it will take you right back to the main page. Selecting circulation will show the circulation functions. So will patrons, options for adding patrons and searching for patrons by name. We'll get into more detail in other videos in this series. I hope this has helped, and I hope you're all looking forward to seeing the rest of the videos in the series. You can refer to these videos at any time by using the links and watching them on our YouTube channel. Now, you can go ahead and try logging in and seeing if you're able to search for titles or patrons using the search bar.